we're learning about the 4 types of sentences and the end marks that go with them. So there are 3 kinds of end marks: a period, exclamation point, and a question mark. Let's learn more about each kind. First is a period. You use a period at the end of a declarative or imperative sentence, and we'll find out what those mean in just a minute. So an example is, the period is bright green. A declarative sentence is one that makes a statement. A statement tells us about something. These sentences end with a period, like we just learned. So an example is, the bee is flying back to the hive. It's just making a statement. There's not much else to say there. It's just giving us some information. An imperative sentence is one that gives us a command. A command shows a strong feeling. These sentences end with a period. So a command can show a strong feeling, or it can also be telling you what to do or how to do something. So an example is, cut the pizza into 8 equal pieces. That's telling you what to do. Our next end mark is an exclamation point. You use this at the end of an exclamatory sentence. An example is, wow, look at that big smile. So exclamatory sentences show strong feeling. They end with an exclamation point. They can also show excitement. So an example would be, my team won the game. Our final end mark is a question mark. You use question marks to end an interrogative sentence. So an example is, how do you draw that? Interrogative sentences are ones that ask questions. These sentences end with a question mark. So an example is, how high can a butterfly fly? Now we're going to be practicing classifying sentences as declarative, imperative, interrogative, or exclamatory. So pull up your Google Forms document from the Wix class website and do a split screen with this presentation in that form now. I will read these sentences to you, and you will type your answer of classification in the blank that corresponds with the number of the sentence. So, for example, sentence number 1 is, my husband cleaned the house. If you think that's an interrogative sentence, you would write interrogative in that blank. So that is an example of how you're going to be doing this. So write your answer for number 1, and now I'll read the rest of the sentences to you. Number 2, is it raining outside? Number 3, clean your room. Number 4, my sister made me dinner. Number 5, the balloon flew away in a gust of wind. Number 6, please pay me for your ticket. And number 7, the teacher wrote on the board. When you're done filling out all those answers, you can submit that Google Forms.